Hello, Amazon shoppers. This is Amy from 911 Studios, and today I just want to give a big shout out to the Murad Environmental Shield Rapid Dark Spot Correcting Serum. You guys, this stuff is so powerful. It's definitely the best on the market that you can get without a prescription for dark spot, hyperpigmentation, even just brightening your skin. This is great for really any skin tone, anyone that's dealing with some hyperpigmentation issues. I've dealt with some over the past year for the first time because I switched my birth control and started getting all of this little like different kind of blotchy dark spots on my forehead right here. I know that's pretty common hormonally. It can be driven by, just the sun, age, whatever it might be. If you're struggling with this, then I highly suggest you check this out. It's really easy to use. It's a lightweight serum that's not going to weigh you down, and it's going to be easy to use. Just put it in your routine with your other products. I suggest using this first, cleanse first, and then use this, and then use your heavier, because it's really light, so use your heavier serums after that, your moisturizer, and of course, you guys, make sure that you are using a sunscreen. The last thing you want to do, especially if you are trying to deal with dark spots, age spots, hyperpigmentation, is not be protecting yourself against the sun. So Murad also has a great sunscreen. I highly suggest you use that as well. This is full of great ingredients. You're really going to love it. It lasts a long time. Again, it's lightweight. It's easy to layer. It's easy to use day or night. I found it to be the most powerful and most effective on the market. You guys, if you're struggling with this, check this out. This is going to be your solution. You'll love it. Put it in your cart. You're going to be really glad you did.